Hello students, today we are going to start lesson number 3, working on Windows 7. So let's see what are the features of Windows 7. Windows 7 is an operating system. An operating system controls a computer's hardware and software and helps them work together. When a computer running Windows 7 starts, we see the screen as shown here. The main screen area that we see after Windows 7 starts is called the desktop. We do all our work on the desktop. Below the desktop is a long band called the taskbar. Any program that is open is shown as a button on the taskbar. We can also pin the programs to the taskbar. Pinning a program to the taskbar places a shortcut for it on the taskbar. And we can open any program by clicking on this shortcut. Now let's see how we can hide the taskbar. The taskbar is usually found at the bottom of the screen and remains visible even when windows are opened. Now we can hide the taskbar when it is not in use. It makes more space available on the screen for open windows. So to hide the taskbar, we should follow 2 steps only. In first step, first of all, we should right click on an empty space on the taskbar and then we should select properties. Now in second step, the taskbar and start menu properties dialog box opens. Now under the taskbar tab, check the box for auto hide the taskbar and then we should click on OK. In this way, we can hide the taskbar. Now let's see how we can move the taskbar. The taskbar is generally found at the bottom of the screen, but we can move it to the top, left or right of the screen. So to do this, we have to just unlock the taskbar. So for it, we have to follow only 2 steps. In first step, right click on an empty spot on the taskbar. If the lock the taskbar option is ticked, then click on it to uncheck it. Now in second step, click on an empty spot on the taskbar and drag the taskbar to its new position. Now, what is Windows Explorer? Windows Explorer is a file management system that is a part of Windows 7. It lets us work with the drives, folders, files, etc. on a computer. So, how we will open the Windows Explorer? To open the Windows Explorer, we have to follow the following steps. First of all, we will click on Start button. Then we will go on All Programs. Then we will click on Accessories and then we'll click on Windows Explorer. So, when we click on Windows Explorer, we will see a window like this. Here, the navigation pane shows all the drives, folders, etc. on the computer. Clicking on an item in this pane opens the item and shows its contents in the right pane or in the file list. Double-clicking on an item in the file list opens the item. Windows Explorer has a search box that helps look for things like files and folders. The search box is used to search the contents of the item that is selected in the navigation pane. Now, what are the libraries in navigation pane of Windows Explorer? A library is a user-defined collection of folders. We can choose the folders to include in a library. We usually include folders containing the same kind of files in a library. Windows 7 comes with 4 default libraries and these are documents, music, pictures and videos. When we include folders in a library, the folders don't actually move into the library, but the library feature keeps track of the folders so that folders of a certain kind can be found by users easily. For example, The music library can show all the folders in which a user has kept music files only. So students, it was all for today. Now see you in our next video. Thank you.